There are different ways to actually present your screenshot to your audience, and Snagit editor gives you templates so that you can choose some ways that it provides and then display it out as per your liking. So for that, you can go to File and click on Create Image from Templates. So let me just click on that, and you have different templates right here, just like this. So there's 3-step basics, there's 4-step and other things. And of course, you can download more layouts as well. So I'm just going to go around onto basic 3-step portrait and click on create, just like that. And I want to add in a step right here. So over here, I can go around and select this around, and I'm going to say steps to subscribe to TutorTube, just like this. So let's say this is going to be the guideline on how to subscribe to my channel. So go over here and I'm going to say steps, all steps in screen. All steps given below, just like this. So over here, I need to drop in 3 images, just like this. And over here, I can delete these things outright as well, according to what I want, and edit these things as well. So I'm just going to move around the date over here on the side, just like this. And over here, I'm going to go on to advanced right here, and then right align this so that the alignment is good. Alright, so now what I want to do is go around onto my screenshot and take the 3 steps. So first one is go to youtube.com/tutortube and wait for the page to load, and then click on the subscribe button right there. So I'm just going to go around here and drag around this area just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here. I need to go to the selection tool, drag around this area right here, just like that. I need to add in an arrow. So just gonna go around over here, show an arrow so that it's more clear. Okay, so now drag around with the selection right here. Maybe resize the selection up till here. And then I'm going to just right click and save the selection as, and then another file right over here. So another file has been created for that one right here. Then wait for the page to load. So I need to delete this out. So I'm just going to go to the move tool right here, just delete this out right here. And then I'm just going to use the same screenshot, no problem. So this is going to be the second screenshot right here. Third one, click on the subscribe button. So I'm just going to go around onto shapes right here and then focus this out. Or I'm going to go to not call out, but shape right here. And then I'm going to go around onto big circle right here and highlight that out, increase the thickness out, just like this. Go around here, increase the thickness out. Okay, so now what I can do is I can select around the selection tool right here, click and drag it out just like this. And then what I can do is I can copy this out. So let me just go around and then go around on to save as. So let me just save selection as and save it out. That is the third step, just like this. So if I were to go over here, I can click and drag this one right here, just like that. And then I can click and drag this one right here. So I actually have that circle as well. I don't want that, so I'm just going to delete out the circle. So just delete that out. Go over here, drag this out and drag this out right here. And everything is arranged out and cropped out accordingly, as you can see. So I can go around onto my selection or move right here. Let me just go around over here. I can just select out the tool, and then I can say type youtube.com/tutortube. So that's the first step. And second step is wait for the page to load. And then the third step right here is going to be click on the subscribe button. All right, so this is the step right here, and you can see that it is much more clear and easy to understand, and plus it looks good as well. Similarly, you have other templates. So just click on create image from template. Let's say you want to go for this kind of a layout right here, just like this one, create that out, and you have this, as you can see. So you can go around and add in, let's say, for example, an image right here, and then you want to move around these things right here, numbered list. Of course, you can add it out as well. You can just go around onto steps and add in more right over here as well, according to what you like. So just add this in and then add it in 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that, as you can see over there. And then you can add in caption to explain different parts of the images, just like that. And this makes it much more easy, as you can see, to explain out different parts of the images by using Snagit. So that's how you can create image from template for good visual representation so that it's more interesting to look at. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.